Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here. Today we are playing an indie game made in Unity on itch.io called Coffee Gets You There. It says it right there on this title screen on this asset that I think I've seen before. Yeah, I'm not sure what to expect. All it says is, you sure that's coffee? Other than that, I don't know anything about this. First time starting it up. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to play. How to play. The how to play button doesn't work. Okay, play. Oh. Game by Kevin Whitmore. Okay. Huh? Okay, so WASD appears to be the... What? Okay, so the donut at the bottom appears to be the way to go, maybe. Why does it keep falling over? Why? What is going on? I can't seem to turn the camera, which is a bit frustrating. Oh, what? What is this dude's problem? I mean, come on, man. Okay, I think it's glitched. Okay, there we go. Okay. He just keeps falling over. What the... You win. Only 8 hours to go. At least now I can sit. What? Nothing seems to work properly. Nothing actually seems to work. Okay. Alright, fine. Okay, well, let me try again without falling over things. He's just running like he's drunk. Oh, okay. He got nailed by the taxi. I mean, what? I'm really not sure about this, guys. This doesn't really represent real life. I don't know. I don't think there's much more beyond this, if I'm honest, because it just quite simply looks like... what? Okay, now what? Well, I'm here. Well, what do I do? What do I do? Oh, right, okay. Oh, okay. So, you don't use the mouse, it would seem, because the mouse does nothing. But I appear to be able to use the arrow keys to manipulate some stuff. But I can't... Oh. Ah, okay, there we go. So, let me go back to title. There we go. See, it's working now. Right, how to play. Your goal is to get to work on time. It's early and you're getting a little weak in the knees. Walking isn't easy, as you remembered. Isn't as easy as you remembered. Luckily, you have a travel mug full of coffee. Hooray! Take a sip of coffee every so often to keep your balance and collision endurance. Oh, transfer coffee though. With low coffee on a system, it's safe to walk. Okay. So WASD move, arrow keys camera, space drink coffee, left shift war, R quick reset. So, alright then. Okay. 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 Right. So I've drunk some coffee, running across the street. Hit by a cab. Oh yeah. Okay, so he's I mean, he's all over the place, man. He's all over the place. I mean, is that it? It's just kind of Okay. Is that all it is? That really appears to be all it is. How very random. Drink all my coffee straight away. Okay, well, that is all she wrote, I think. It is literally that, unless I'm missing something drastically. So that was Coffee Gets You There. I'll leave a link in the description below. Yeah, give a thumbs up if you liked it, give a thumbs down if you didn't. Yeah, Coffee Gets You There. I've been Jimmy Vegas. Thank you very much for watching. Is this really all it is? Ah.